Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you my LF Bros into diesel heater. Right now it's running at about 100 watts, and honestly it's already doing a pretty good job. I let it preheat for like 3 to 5 minutes. I'm not using the exhaust pipe right now, so yeah, this is what it sounds like without the muffler. And of course, once you put the muffler on, the noise goes down a lot. I'm guessing, like, most of the sound is coming from inside the unit anyway. I'm assuming the air inlet is pulling fresh air in, and there's, like, a little mechanism inside doing its thing. The heater itself is warm, actually. It's kinda really hot, so I had to pull my hand back fast. It's showing 27 degrees Celsius right now, you can see it here. You can start it with the remote, and yeah, I've already got it running. I only added a tiny bit of fuel, just in case. You know, something didn't work. Honestly, this thing's pretty nice. The build quality feels solid. I took a quick look inside because I was curious how everything was put together, and yeah, it's wired exactly the way I expected. That makes me pretty happy. There's a little smell, like plastic and rubber burning, so I'm just gonna let it run for a bit and burn off all that factory stuff. We're heading out for a long road trip in about a week and a half, and it's gonna get cold, so I definitely gotta get everything ready before we go. Alright, so it's been running for like 10 minutes now, and I went ahead and hooked up the exhaust pipe. So yeah, that does make a difference with the noise. And when you first attach the exhaust, everything kind of burns off. The fuel residue, the coating, whatever, so you'll see some steam coming out at the beginning. You can see it's sitting at around 49 watts right now. It kind of looks like once it gets warmed up, this is where it settles, at least I'm guessing. Okay, so if you look closely at the display, I'm not sure if you guys can actually see it, but it says 30 degrees Celsius up there. And then you've got all these little readings. The burn chamber is running, and it even shows a little flame icon. There's also this tiny turbine-looking thing spinning, which means the air's pushing out, and then you've got this percentage bar. So when it first starts building up, everything starts at 0, like 1 to 3. And once it hits 99, boom, it kicks on. It's running. So right now it's sitting at around 30 to 31 degrees Celsius, which is, you know, over 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's pretty awesome. But yeah, my Jackery is not gonna survive powering 50 watts all night. That thing was at like 70% about 15 minutes ago, and it already dropped. So yeah, it's probably not gonna make it through the night. So I'm guessing once it hits a certain temp or something, if it gets to hot, you just dial it down a bit. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Alright, so we've been running this thing for about 30 minutes now, and it's already dialed down to the lowest setting. The wattage is sitting around 12 or 13, kinda bouncing between 10 and 13, but it's really steady. So yeah, let's come back over here to the controller. Like I said earlier, this little flame icon means the burn chamber is on. Up in the top right, you've got the burn percentage. It's at 99% right now. That basically tells you how well the fuel is burning. 99 means it's going full steam. This line here shows the fuel level. And then these two numbers here are your temp up and temp down. This little button right here, the 3 little droplets, that's how you adjust the fuel rate. So if you hold it down, it'll cycle through like a 10 or 5. You know, showing different fuel amounts. And after you pick one, you just accept it, and it will beep to let you know it saved the setting. So yeah, you can tweak the fuel delivery, and of course the fuel level reading depends on that. Mine's tilted a little bit right now, so the fuel reading isn't super accurate. It's showing pretty much empty, so I'll calibrate that later, but overall it seems to be running great. On the low setting, the noise drops a lot. It's definitely pulling in some air from here. And it comes with this nice little manual that shows all the different models they make. And yeah, it's pulling like 12 watts right now on my 500 watt Jackery. It's running great now. I mean, it's pumping out heat, like seriously. It's kinda wild. Do I even need more at this point? I mean, you know, at night it drops to like the 30s or 20s, and honestly, with it blasting like this, the room's gonna get way too hot. I'll probably have to crack the window open even more. It's pretty solid, I really like it. The build is great and it feels super sturdy. These handles are awesome too, really strong. It's got that metal guard all the way around it. I'd say it's put together really well. Thanks for watching.